Hello everyone, I'm Kamel. In previous tutorials, we've already learned many interesting text effects. Today, I'll show you how to create amazing effects we show in a sample video, which is combined by small balls and text. The method is super simple. Just follow the steps in the tutorial and you'll be able to complete it easily. If you're interested, keep watching. First, open VideoProc Flagger. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the free downloaded link in the description box. Click on the text preset here. Choose this one and place it on the text track. Then click here to enter the editing interface, where you can input the text you need. After that, adjust the font and the size. Once you are done, click here to save a screenshot. Next, go back to the text editor. Click here to copy the color parameters. Remove the text outline and change the color here. And save another screenshot. Then delete all the text. Afterward, click here to change the background color to match the text color from earlier. And save another screenshot. Now, import these screenshots into VideoProc Flagger and place it on the main track. Then, change the background color to green. Here, click on Effects, find the circular mask, and place it on the Effects track. In the Inspector panel, adjust these two parameters to make the circle smaller and make its edges sharper. Click to save another screenshot. Then change the background back to black. And start creating the effect. First, place the small ball material on the overlay track. Then, in the inspector bar, select Filter the screen by height. Find the green screen option, check it to remove the background. Next, click on Motion and add a keyframe at the starting position. Restore the display area to its original state. At the 0.4 second mark, create a new keyframe and move the display area to roughly this position. You can observe the ball's position in the preview window on the right. Changing the speed to speed down and add a third keyframe around the 0.8 second mark. Move the ball slightly to the right and down, roughly to the top of the first letter. Just place it in a rough position for now. We'll adjust it again later. Changing the speed mode to speed down. From here, set a keyframe about every 0.4 seconds and make the ball move up and down like this. Alternate the speed settings between speed up and speed down. I'll quickly demonstrate this. The number of bounces should match the number of letters. After completing the bounces, don't forget to set a final set of keyframes. Now, let's create a few new overlay tracks. And place the text outline screenshot on one of these tracks. In the inspector bar, select Filter the screen by height. Then scroll down to find the blending mode and choose Lighten. Next, we'll play back to see the ball's bouncing position. You'll notice there's a slight misalignment with the letters. Go back to Motion to fine-tune the ball's position. Pay attention to the center of the keyframes as a guide to help adjust the position. Also, You can organize the keyframes for the top and bottom rows separately, placing them on their respective horizontal lines. Once the adjustments are complete, let's review the effects. Now, the ball lands perfectly on the top of each letter with every bounce. Next, place another text material on the lower overlay track. As before, select Fit to the screen by height in the inspector bar, changing the blending mode to lighten. Then click on Crop to cut out the first letter and reposition it accordingly. Find the point where the ball lands on the top of this letter and make the text appear from that position. Let's play it back. It looks amazing. Now, copy the material to the next lower overlay track and click Crop to cut out the second letter. Just like before, adjust the letter's position and align its start time with when the ball lands on the second letter. Once everything is done, adjust the duration of each asset, and the effect is completed. Let's play it and see. Looks pretty good. Now it's your turn to give a try. Alright, this is the full content for this video. If you want to learn more simple and fun effects, feel free to check our homepage and playlist. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye!